how to fix Lazada Wallet cash in failed. Now, if you are getting cash in failed on the Lazada Wallet whenever you're using Lazada application, some of the common causes could be due to incomplete wallet verification. So make sure that your Lazada wallet is fully verified. You can just check the app and come to account page for any type of pending verifications that you might have. You must also make sure that you have got sufficient funds. And by the way, make sure that you have not reached the transaction limit because Lazada has daily, weekly, and annual transaction limits. Ensure that your Lazada app is updated to the latest version. So go to your app store and just search for the Lazada app and check if it is updated to the latest version. If you see the update button there, make sure to update it. You also want to make sure that your payment methods like your card and so on are correct, and make sure that you're not facing any type of security blocks, which means that make sure your account is not flagged for any type of reason. These are the ways on how we can hopefully fix if Lazada's cash in feature has failed. Hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.